So look at this dog over here. Oh! Oh no! That was not planned. Guess where I'm going? Okay, I'll tell you.
This one.
Stonehenge. Yeah. Can't wait. Find a seat, find a seat, find a seat.
From Stonehenge. Okay, we're going to save those sculptures for later. You know that you're not allowed to go right up to the stones. There is a rope barrier around the stones. There has been since 1973. But if you want to touch the stones, there is an example of a sarsen stone and a blue stone in the car park. Here's some of the traffic. But we are in visual range of Stonehenge, I promise you.
Oh yeah, I see it.
If you, when we join this traffic, if you look straight ahead, slightly to the right, you will get your first view of Stonehenge. And what I would say to you folks is, this first perspective that you get, you'll get an idea of the overall size of the stones from the people walking around the outside. Okay? Don't be disappointed, folks, because what you're going to be looking at today only represents about 50% of the original Stonehenge. Stonehenge has been very badly treated over the millennia. Over hundreds of years, farmers in the area would come down to Stonehenge and steal pieces of Stonehenge to repair their farm buildings with. And indeed, if you were a tourist in the 18th century, so we're talking about the 1700s, okay, when you came to Stonehenge, you would be given three things. You'd be given your entrance ticket, you'd be given a hammer, and you'd be given a chisel, and you could take your own piece of Stonehenge away with you. Unthinkable now, of course. Those in this area. Believe it or not, drivers and guides, we actually like coming to Stonehenge in bad weather. I know it means you guys get a bit wet, but it actually makes for a very moody, atmospheric place. Looking at the stones at the moment, if you look over to the right, you'll see lots of sheep in the field. Can I just point out, because I was asked one time, playing with the sheep in the field is an optional extra that has to be booked in advance. Okay? Yes, someone actually asked me could they go and play with the sheep in the field. Have a look straight ahead, folks. Just by this hedge, can you see two rocks? The large one on the left is a sarsen stone, which makes up the outer circle of trilithons. The smaller one on the right is a blue stone, which makes up the inner circle. They're the ones that come from the procession. Here, and that tree line over there, on the crest of the hill, as we're looking at it, and to the left of these barrows, they found a brand new henge. Brand new henge, never been seen before. Okay, it was a wood henge, a henge made of wood. Okay, the wood, of course, has long since rotted away. Yeah, but what they found, you remember we said a henge in its basic form is a ditch and a mound. Yes, and what they found is evidence of the ditch and the mound. Okay, so wood henge. Okay. How are we doing with bathroom people? Yeah. Folks, if we all have a time check, I have 4:10. By the time we get you in, meeting 15 minutes past 4. We will be leaving here at 5:30. 5:30. As I say, if you wish to come back to the coach because you've seen enough, you are welcome to do so. Okay? You know where the coach is. Alright? How are we doing on the bathroom people now?
So take a look at this, people. Stonehenge! I scared him. This is great! Look! Oh, that's huge. Sadly, you can get in the center. Picture right here. Okay, so this is the place, but I think I need to be a little bit closer. But sadly, I'm not allowed to. Well, I guess I'll take a picture from here then. Zoom in. See how that goes. Okay, let's do this. That looks good. It's really windy here. I took a good picture, I think. The one who took this picture was much closer. But I did my best, and that's what counts. I'll put the picture on Facebook. So you can see it there. I've got this information thing here, and just listen to what it says.
In around 2600 BC, at about the same time as the first pyramids were being built in Egypt, the first stone structure was built here at Stonehenge. 80 or so blue stones were transported.
Interesting, isn't it? Everyone is listening to it.